Next is creation of tolerance for vendors and customers. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivables and Payables, Business Transaction, Incoming Payment, Manual Incoming Payment, and Define Tolerance for Customers. That is the path. Now click on New Entries. So here you can give your company code. Then tolerance group. Tolerance for V and C. And for the company code you can mention. V for vendor and C for customer. Then click on Save. So now you have saved the tolerance for vendors and customers. Understood. Next heading is creation of number ranges for customer document types. Path for the same is SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, then Financial Accounting Global Settings, Document, Document Number Ranges, and Define Document Number Ranges. So here first of all you need to type on the comment box /NOBA7 and then click on position. So here document type you need to give DA. That is DA means it's customer document. After that press enter. Then double click on this customer document. So here number range you can give 16 and reverse document type is AB. Now click on number range information. Click on change intervals and click on insert intervals. So here number will give 16, year 2024, from number 300 and to number 399. After that you can save. Now you can go back. 2 times back you can go. Now when you reach here, click on position. Again document type you can give DR, that is for customer invoice. So here number range you can notice, right, 18. Reverse document type is AB. Now click on number range information. Company code you can give. Click on change intervals. Then click on insert intervals. So here number we previously noted, that is 18, right? Then year 2024, from number 400 and to number 499 I am giving that intervals. After that you can save. Now again you need to go back to the previous position. So here you can click on position. Document type I am giving DZ, that is for customer payment, and double click on customer payment. So here notice the number range, that is 14. Now click on number range information. Give the company code. Click on change intervals. Click on insert intervals. So we have noted the number, that is 14. Year is 2024. Interval I am giving 500 to 599. After that you can save.